guys, scares you.
So I heard that toy reviews make you famous and they get you a lot of subs, so we have the Mega Ranger, sparklers, more sparklers. You don't need an adult, so I wouldn't worry about it. Next toy.
Oh, yes.
So the next toy that is only 99 cents is this puppet of Keemstar. The best sock puppet you have ever seen. Only 99 cents. Look. Whenever you're having sleepovers, you can make a puppet show. How fun would that be? Like, who wouldn't want to have Keem on a sleepover? Like, right? Like, who wouldn't? Next toy. So here we have the Nerf Elite Strong Arm. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that was loaded. Okay. As I was saying, totally not a safety hazard. It's pretty cool. You can just, the tap of the button, you can, I'm jammed, so you can easily play Russian roulette. That was, next toy! We have some, counterfeit money here. Very, very family friendly, you know. Very, very hard to tell that it's fake money, so, you know, you're lucky. We have a $20 bill. We have a $10 bill. We have a $5 bill. So, you know, not too shabby. Like, this is money. Money! I need to clean that up. Next, we have the Babes Puzzle. See? Babes Puzzle, trademark. So it's I guess a kitten puzzle. I guess. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this. Yeah, I had a pretty fun time making this. Those toys, actually, I don't really mind. We were given them from a family. My mom wants to use them, and so they're in my room. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. And that's me out. Bye!